10 human diseases that can turn you into superheroes. Number 10. Supermemory. Supermemory called hyperthymesia. A disruption of memory causes a person to remember every detail. There are just about 60 people in the world who have been diagnosed with such a unique disease. The patient can describe any day of their life in amazing detail, even the moment of their childhood. Such people can recite link the external from books they read many years ago. Who tell a news broadcast of any day of any year, you name it. Do you think it's a gift to these people or lucky to enjoy? Think again. Patients with hyperthymesia cannot alter their memories to sugarcoat some unpleasant moments. They would prefer to forget. They literally forget nothing. BBC once told a story of Rebecca Sherrock, an Australian writer who remembered how she was wrapped in pink blanket at the tender age of 7. Not a 7 year, not a even months, 7 days. Her memory is truly unique. She recites long extract of Harry Potter without mixing up a single word. However, the movement don't consider her hyperthymesia a superpower. She constantly suffers from headache and insomnia and tires very fast. Number 10. Insensibility to pain called inborn analgesia. Inborn analgesia is the scientific name of the person who doesn't feel pain. There is surprising fact to think about. Despite the awareness of this disease, as many as 40 cases of it have been registered in one of the villages in Sweden. Ability to literally do anything. Savant syndrome is a rare condition which might typical with people while development condition such people autism or Asperger's syndrome. Patients with this condition are extremely talented with music, drawing, painting, calculations, cartography and constructing 3D models. So one can instantly provide with the result of multiplication of 3-digit numbers, or say the day of the week would be 5th May of 37. As an example, Stephen Wilson, a famous British architecture artist with the syndrome of seventh man, is to draw a precise map of London after just one flight of the city. Many people call savant geniuses, and they are partially right. People with the syndrome have real talents in some field. But despite some patches of geniuses, some of the patients display with mental deficiency. Number 7. Insensitivity to cold. These are those people who do not react to the cold. Example is Winhaf. The thing is, Win is able to stand in low temperature. He managed to spend 120 minutes in a pipe with freezing water and can even swim under frozen lakes and rivers. Specialists consider this man a unique phenomenon. The Winhoff himself believed that his insensitivity to cold is the result of the persistent training. Number 6. Complete absence of fear. A real genetic disorder that leads to complete lack of fear. Only 300 cases are known and quarter of them have been registered in South Africa. The most famous patient who named the woman who knows no fear is an American member SM. She was given poisonous spiders and snakes to hold. SM told them about terrible events from her life which still didn't manage to scare her. A knife attack in the park at night, a case of domestic violence. They barely survived. Number 5. Vampire disorder. This disease have difficult scientist name, but I will try. Hypohidrotic ectodermal dysplasia. Thank you very much. But it's more widely spread name despite its perfectly. People survive this condition frequently have pointed teeth, therefore looking similar to character of horror films. This illness are extremely thin and pale. Their eyes are outlined with dark circles, their teeth are typically pointed, hair is absent, and they always stay like vampire. They always have to check their temperature and stay away from the sunlight. Also, it is vitally important to avoid hard weather. Why so? People of this does not have sweat glands which regulates the mechanism of our body. Actor Michael Berwinan, who suffers from this disease, made a career from horror movie characters. Number 4. Polymelia. Polymelia is a strange disorder. People suffering from it are born with an unusual number of limbs. In some cases, these limbs are pretty useful, in others they are non-functioning. In Pakistan, a baby was born with 6 legs. Surely surgeries removing extra body parts exist, but surprisingly some individuals refuse to be operated. They think these body parts are useful, especially fingers. Number 3. Stoneman syndrome. This syndrome is genetic. People with such disease have the soft tissues of their bodies turning into bone. The mutation of SVERI gene responsible for the different tissues of the human leads to development terrible consequences. In this, muscles turn into body and joints fuse together. In this, muscles turns into bone and joints fuse together. If doctor aims to remove the bone surgically, then body starts to create more bone tissues. Luckily, only 1 in 2 million people suffers from this condition because currently there is no existing treatment. Number 2. Werewolf syndrome. Do you regularly feel irritated due to the get rid of the unwelcoming hair on the certain part of the body? Relax and take a breath. It can be as bad as the problem who suffers from the hypertrichosis. The hair growth of such people is abnormal. All their bodies are covered with thick hair. It grows long and lush even on their faces. The reason of this condition, which give it name werewolf syndrome, is more likely to be genetic mutation. However, there have been some cases where this disease have been prevented by anti-balding treatment. Number 1. Foreign accent syndrome. Any of you surely try to speak in the foreign accent at least once in your life. Have you been successful? And there are some people who don't even need to try hard. Their countrymen will believe that there are tourists visiting the country on vacation. However, it is no fun for patients themselves. They speak with the foreign accent uncontrollably. What is even more surprising, people who speak in the French accent never visited the France before. From time to time, such patients use several accents and sometimes even simultaneously. The most common reason of this condition is head injury or stroke. The person with this condition changes the way they place their tongue during speaking. The most effective treatment in this case is the speech therapy. So, what disease you found shocking? Have you been meet anybody with such syndrome in this video? Write in the comment box.